Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Portmore. We are on George Lee Boulevard, heading from the Portmore Mall towards Port Henderson Road. Now, Portmore is a very large community. Actually, Portmore has the third largest community or population. It's third largest population in Jamaica. To the left is the Edgewater community. To the right is Bridgeview. Now we're driving on George Lee Boulevard, and this road was named after the former mayor of Portmore. Portmore is actually, it's not a town, it's a municipality. Meaning, although it falls under the St. Catherine Parish Council, it has its own body. It has a lot more autonomy. It has a lot more autonomy in how things are done in Portmore. So actually Portmore is going to become a parish. Now of course, everything takes time, but it's been agreed, everything that needs to be done is being done. There is no objection to it. Whatever needed to be done was done, and it's just a matter of time before Portmore becomes the 15th parish of Jamaica. And what's going to be symbolic about that is this is going to be the first parish created on an independent Jamaica. Every other parish was created or named, or the boundaries. Every other parish was created under colonialism. When Portmore becomes a parish, it's going to be the first parish that the Jamaican government has created. Not the English government, not the colonial government, but Jamaican government. And as we said earlier, it has the third largest population. Only the city of Kingston and the town of Spanish Town has a larger population. And Portmore it's still growing. You have developments going on all over the place, so the population is even getting bigger. So we went around the roundabout, and we're just going back up to the top part of the road, and then we head back towards Port Henderson Road. So we're going to go up to Dawkins Avenue, and that's where we go around the mall, and then we head back onto George Lee Boulevard and head down to Port Henderson Road. Yes, a lot of the very popular locations, probably the most popular location in Portmore is Hellshire, the beach facility. Now, I'm not sure where the boundary of Portmore when it becomes a parish is going to be, but I'm sure it will include Hellshire. If anybody knows where the boundary of Portmore is going to be, or what section is going to be the capital of the parish, you can let us know in the comment section below. On the left is the community of Passage Fort. We have videos up driving through all these communities, so you can check them out. Okay, so this is Dawkins Avenue now. If we were to go straight, we would go onto the Portmore Expressway, and that would take us back into Kingston. But we're going to go right and stay on Dawkins Avenue and head back to George Lee Boulevard. You can see another development going on the left. It looks like a plaza. Yeah, it's a commercial complex. So on the left now is the Portmore Mall. On the right you have Burger King, Captain's Bakery. Basically this on the left is the Portmore Mall. That's the largest mall in Portmore. It's actually the largest mall in the parish of St. Catherine. There is another massive mall further down. What's the name of that mall now? It's the Sovereign Mall. I think it's Sovereign Portmore. And it's huge, but this one is bigger. Okay, this is Tasty on the left now. That's Petcom on the left. There's a very nice sign, welcome to Portmore. Alright, so we're going back onto George Lee Boulevard now. We're going to drive down to Port Henderson Road. Alright, so on the left is the Edgewater community and on the right is the Bridgeport community. Very popular neighborhoods in Portmore, very large neighborhoods as well. So we're now coming up to the stoplight. If we turn left, we go on to Back Road or Fort Augusta Drive, but it's more popularly known as Back Road. And if we turn right, we go on to Port Henderson Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.